So we have this new thing called Pennridge Profiles, where we make videos at all of our schools. Right, guys?
Yeah.
So this one's really, really special because we wanted to say Happy New Year. So go ahead, guys. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. So, of course, every New Year we have New Year's resolutions, right? So we went to all of our elementary schools and we asked our kindergartners, our first graders, and our second graders, like these guys at Seiler, what their New Year's resolutions were. And they had some amazing answers, right? They were pretty amazing, right?
Yes.
All right. Do you think they should take a listen now and watch all of them together?
Yeah.
Well, they said so. That means Pennridge Profile, New Year's resolutions. Take a look. What is a New Year's resolution?
It's a goal you want to do. A New Year's resolution is something you want to get better at.
It's a goal you want to achieve.
It's something where it's a goal.
It's a goal. That's exactly right.
It's like a goal you set for the next year. A goal for the next year. It's a goal you set for yourself. It's like how you set a goal for yourself or something. Because you're trying to get it in the new year. A New Year's resolution is you want to do something to be a goal that you want to do. So a New Year's resolution is a goal for something that you do for the new year. What you want to catch up with and try to keep working on it.
Perfect.
Because then you can work on your goal and that makes you a better friend and it can make you a better friend for others.
A New Year's resolution is when you do something good and something which is respectful. Something you want to do better or try in the new year. It's kind of like something you want to do, like you try to do every day. Because then you get to have a new thing to do on the new year. Like something you want to get good at.
Do you know what a New Year's resolution is, Max?
Yes.
What is it?
It's something that you will stop, get better at something you want to do in the new year. It is something that you're going to do better in 2024 or something else.
Okay.
Well, like, you stop doing it and then you do it again and then you need to do it. Because you could get better and better at something. It is something that you stop, you do, you need. So you can believe in yourself. It's a promise that you're making to yourself that you will be more helpful or better in the new year. What you want to be and when you grow up, that you can believe in yourself what you can do. A New Year's resolution is a promise to make in the new year because you didn't do that promise the other year.
A New Year's resolution is to keep a promise for the new year.
It's where you have to be kind and practice something.
A New Year's resolution is when you be kind.
Well, a New Year's resolution is a promise making to yourself, and that promise you can try to do the new year. So it's like a new thing that you can try or do. If you've done it before, that's okay, but you can still do it again. Hi, I'm Ava, and we're at Dudley Elementary, and these are our New Year's resolutions. Helping people when they're thinking like they're still thinking and they need a little help, I can help them. That getting more sleep so I can get more energy. My New Year's resolution is to be a better reader. To be a better writer. Mopping for my mom and dad. Do the vacuum. I take out the trash every Thursday sometimes, but sometimes I'm too lazy and I'm doing other stuff. This year, I want to get 5 golden paws. To make a new friend. This year, I want to learn how to read. My New Year's resolution is to learn how to ride a scooter. To learn how to hula hoop. My New Year's resolution is to get better at playing basketball.
To ride a bike better.
Run more outside. Help my mom by getting my clothes. Start packing my backpacks.
Stop watching TV. Play soccer outside. Get better at shooting basketballs. Tie my shoe. Spend more time off my tablet and read more books. It's to get off technology when my parents say so.
To be kind and help others.
I hope to learn more about clouds and science.
To get a second math master on subtraction.
My New Year's resolution is to figure out why the temperature changes.
I want to do karate, and I want to. Well, I do want to do karate because I never done it before, and I want to get better at swimming. Cleaning.
Cleaning? What do you want to clean? What are you going to clean?
I usually like to clean my brother's toys. Help my mom cook more. My New Year's resolution is to get better at gymnastics. To try better at basketball and try the real basketball. To do better at round-offs and gymnastics.
Yep.
Hello, I am Oscar Schumacher, and I am here at Youth. And check out these new wonderful resolutions.
Mine is to do chores around the house. My new resolution is read more. My New Year resolution is to be the first one to listen and pay attention, and the first one to listen and follow directions the first time I was told to.
So, my New Year's resolution is to walk to the line, like in music or like recess too, and without rushing slowly.
My goal is to do more chores and have a calm body and help others and help my family. So my goal is to get more badges in Girl Scouts. To give 10 people a compliment every day.
That's a really good one. How did you come up with that?
I just thought of it because whenever I'm in the cafeteria, Miss Gomringer, she lives in my neighborhood. Every time I give her a compliment, she was being really nice to me, and I thought of that. I would stop eating things that aren't that healthy, and both meanings of flexible, being more flexible in things that are happening or flexible in your body. To get better at basketball, because this is my first year at basketball, so I want to get better for next year. Trying to get better at handwriting. My New Year's resolution is to read a harder book and to learn time on an analog clock. To read harder books. To write a sentence by myself. It's to grow as a reader and to teach my little brother to read. I'm trying to get better at my math problems.
To ride my bike without training wheels.
To beat my brother in a video game.
To beat your brother at video games? That's your goal? That's funny.
Eating more types of food.
What kind of food?
Like other ones.
Like what other ones?
Like other different types of foods. To try softball.
Try softball. That's a good one. Why do you want to try softball?
Because my brother played baseball and it's like the same thing, but softball is for girls. And when I saw my brother playing it, it looked really fun.
Are you having mac and cheese today for lunch?
No.
What are you having?
Salad.
So is salad part of your New Year's resolution?
No, I ate salad before. My New Year's resolution is to write neater because I want to make more exciting sentences. I forget it.
I have one at school and home. At home, my New Year's resolution is to not argue with my brother so much.
What's the other one?
And at school, I want to have more self-control in class.
My New Year's resolution is to get better at writing. To not worry about small problems.
That's a great one. I like that one. I'm going to do that one too, okay?
Okay.
My New Year's resolution is to try to make better choices, like cleaning my room, keeping it clean because it's like a gigantic mess, and I think my dad would be happy about it.
Mine is
To be a kind friend.
reading a book every day. Being a better friend.
That is so nice. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Aubrey, and we're at Sellersville and Pennridge.
Yep, check it out.
Getting better at math.
Getting better at math. That's an excellent one. Thank you so much. Counting. That's a great one. Thanks, Chase.
Helping my mom clean up stuff.
That my goal is to be a football player,
What position?
quarterback.
You want to be the quarterback? That is so cool.
Help my mom do chores around my house.